everyone. Welcome back to the online English classes of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I'm Sabita Joseph, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are well at home. Today, let us learn about possessive adjective. What do you mean by possessive? The last class we studied about possessive pronoun. We also discussed about this word possessive, which means possession. It shows the ownership. It says that something belongs to someone. See the next word, adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is a word that modifies the noun. I have a beautiful garden. In that sentence, we can see the word beautiful. That word beautiful modifies the noun garden. Okay, so adjective is the word that modifies the noun. So now let us see some examples. Okay. I washed my shirt. I washed my shirt. In this sentence, we can see the noun that is shirt. Here we can see the possessive adjective that is my. My shirt. It's not your shirt. It's not his shirt or her shirt. It is my shirt. So here we use the possessive adjective that is my. Next one. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? This is a sentence, interrogative sentence. So we used a question mark here. And here we can see the possessive adjective your. Your phone. It's not my phone. I'm asking your phone. Here also we can see the noun after the possessive adjective. Phone is a noun. It comes after the possessive adjective your. Okay, let us see the next one. John is playing with his ball. John is playing with his ball. Here we can see the possessive adjective his. This possessive adjective his comes before the noun ball. Next one. Her drawing is beautiful. Her drawing is beautiful. Whose drawing is beautiful? Her. This is her drawing. Okay, it is her own drawing. Here also we can see the noun drawing and the possessive adjective her. This possessive adjective her comes before a noun. Okay, here also we can see these all are noun and the possessive adjective it comes before the noun. Before the noun. Okay. See the next one. The dog eats its food. The dog eats its food. For things, for animals, we can use eats. This dog is an animal, so we can use eats. Okay. Next one. This is our school. This is our school. This is our school. This is our own school. School is a noun. So this word our is a possessive adjective. It comes before the noun school. See the last one. The parents love their children. In this sentence, you can see the possessive pronoun their. So the parents love their children. The word their shows the possession. These children belongs to the parents. So here the word their shows the possessive adjective. Here you can see the possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, its, our and their. Here you can see the possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, its, our and their. So all these possessive adjectives shows the possession, that is something that belongs to someone. It also shows the ownership of something. Okay, and another thing you have to keep in mind that all these possessive adjectives, it comes before the noun, not after the noun. It comes before the noun. See the first example, my shirt. Shirt is a noun, it's a name of a thing. So this possessive adjective, it comes before the noun. Okay. So in the last class, we studied about possessive pronouns, and today we studied about possessive adjectives. Now let us see the difference between the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay, this is possessive adjective and this is possessive pronoun. Let's see the first one, that is my. In possessive adjective, we use my to show the possession. In possessive pronoun, we use mine. Let us see an example. This is my car. This is my car. Here we use the possessive adjective my. It comes before the noun. Okay, it comes before the noun. Let us see the possessive pronoun here. This car is mine. This car is mine. Here we use the possessive pronoun mine. And see, it comes after the noun. Most of the case it comes at the end of the sentence. Possessive pronouns comes after the noun. Let us see the next one. In possessive adjective, your. Possessive pronoun, yours. Yours. Let's see the example. This is your pen. This is your pen. Here we can see the possessive adjective, your. This is your pen. Okay. In possessive pronoun, this pen is yours. This pen is yours. Here we use the possessive adjective your before the noun, that is, which is a noun in the sentence? Pen. Here the possessive adjective used before the noun. In possessive pronoun, we use the possessive pronoun yours. It is yours. This pen is yours. This pen belongs to you. It is yours. So this possessive pronoun, it comes after the noun. It comes after the noun. Okay. Possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our and their. Possessive pronoun: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours and theirs. See children, in your textbook page number 47, there is an activity related to possessive adjectives. Let's do it. Underline the possessive adjectives in these sentences. First one has been done for you. You need to find out the possessive adjective and underline. See the first one. This is my house. The yellow one is theirs. So we studied my is a possessive adjective. So we need to underline my. See the second one. This cat is mine. That turtle is their pet. Which is the possessive adjective used here? Yes, their. Okay, so you need to underline their. See the next one. 3. Did you see his cap anywhere? No, but he can use mine. Which is the possessive adjective used here? Yes, it is his. His cap. Cap is a noun. The possessive adjective always comes before the noun. So, his is the possessive adjective used here. So, children, do the rest of the questions by yourself. Okay, answer keys will be given in the Google Classroom. Let's do the next activity in our textbook. Page number 48. Look at these pictures. Complete the sentences with the words from the box. Match the pictures with the sentences. So here you can see some images and some words are given in the box. Her, his, their, our, my, its. All these words are possessive adjectives. Okay, so below this page you can see some sentences are given with blanks. You need to complete their sentences. One has been done for you. Meera is talking to her teacher. In the picture E, you can see Meera and her teacher. So, Meera is talking to her teacher. See the next one. 2. Joy and Jane are reading dash books. The image C, you can see 2 children are reading books. So, we can say that Joy and Jane are reading their books. 2 children are there, so we can use their books. So children, do the rest of the questions by yourself. Answer keys will be given in the Google Classroom. Check it after completing the activity. Dear children, I hope you understood today's class. Watch the video once more and do the exercise in your textbook. Study this possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. It is very simple. You just do the activities and you can understand. And if you have any doubts, you can call me and clear your doubts. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye.